Hi guys, and welcome back to Code and Code. So one thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about today was the fact that you can shorten your variables. So last week we worked some with inputting different words into a program. So one thing that you can do with those words, or as they're called, string variable types, is you can shorten them. So you guys can see I've written a short little program here. So I have x, and then I reset a different variable to be x, but I have this next to it. So, and then I print out short. So what this does is this causes you to get a subset of the string x. So instead of having the whole word hello, when I run this, I only print out L. Now you might be wondering, how do I get it to print out certain things? Well, hello, when we type it out, I don't know if I can type, sorry about that. Each number, or each letter has a different number, that's its index. So where it's at in the string. So if I say hello, I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to space this out so you guys can see this. So as you guys can see, while there are 5 letters in hello, hello only has an index of 4. So if I print out 1 through 4, and I'm just going to comment this out, so it's not going to run it. That should work. I say run. Oh, no, it doesn't like that. Sorry. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and delete this out of here, and then run it. It prints out ELL. Now, what we had was print out 1 through 4. So it printed out 1, and it printed out 1, 2, and 3, but it didn't print out 4. So when you're making a substring, the first number is inclusive. So the 1 and the 1, the E printed out, and then the second number is exclusive. So we have the 4 here, but the O didn't print. So it prints starting at the index of 1, going all the way up to the index of the number that you put in our case 4, minus 1. So it doesn't include it. So if I change this number to 5, and I change this number to 0, and I click run, and I get rid of this, and click run, then it prints out the whole word hello. Okay? So I want you guys to come up with any words that might contain other words. Hello might not be the best example, but if you were to do race car, you have race and car at least, and you guys can come up with more than that, I know. So come up with different words and input them into a program like this, and I want you to print out your own sentences or your own story, something like that, that contains words only formed that are from being within other words. Does that make sense? So if I were to do this and I were to say, instead of this, I'm going to say race car. So if I want it to say short plus So what I'm doing right now is I am creating a sentence. So I'll do this. I'm going to go 5 through 8. And then when I run this, oh, I messed up. It says race me to the car. So I want you guys to be a little bit more creative than me. And I want to see none of this in the middle there. But I think you guys can do it. So good luck. Let me know if you guys need help.